Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile display and brightness setting is how can you enable and disable. In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. So in this video friends, we will talk about guys eye care mode setting, how to enable in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to enable your eye care mode, so friends, how can you enable it? In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to enable your eye care mode and guys scroll it. So friends, you can see as your Technophone display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here. Eye care mode guys, tap here. And once you want to enable your eye care, so friends, you can enable from here. You can see this icon guys, tap here. And guys, you can adjust guys your skin color guys, cool and warm color guys. You can adjust from here. And guys, why do we use guys eye care mode in our Technophone? So guys, when guys you operate your phone at night, and when you study on night on this on your with your phone, so you should on it is good for your eyes. You can see this notification eye care tints your screen amber. This makes it easy to look at your screen or read in dim light and may help you fall asleep more easily. So like that guys, you can enable your eye care mode in your Technophone and guys you can use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.